Alright, hi, we're looking at my brake pipe multiplier. I made this, let's take a look at it. There's the old sketch. Basically, you have three lines pretty much when you run brake system in the locomotive. This uses for a multiple unit operation. So over here on the left, we probably have your brake pipe, and then main reserve auxiliary reservoir, and then we have a vat bin that's filled with grease. Most of it is filled with grease, but when it presses the air into this small hole comes out, and it bleeds into here, making more pressure, and it comes across this little that right here, like that part. It has several valves to it. They bleed, they push. They have a couple of these revolve cuts inside there. It's spring loaded. This is kind of like a Christmas tree. It like stands up. It's like a jack. Pressing in the compression, there's a shortcut. This right here is a key, so like it will flow back. I did not put the door on that. The door on that. It's got springs. I also didn't put the P holes down, so P hole to drain it of its cylinder juice, brake cylinder grease. So we have about a 1 inch bar in between this hose, like most rail cars. And then I'm going to show you, so this is the center brake, and then we're going to look at it a different way. Let's go up from bottom up. We got cylinder springs, building belt all the way up on top of there, and then up a little bit more. See the valves pressing in the center, the port going up, and then finally it reaches the top, and then it comes out the brake pipes. Alright, let's try it a different way. Alright, so we have the two sides where there's the valves actuated, but the rest of it is pretty hollow except for it's pretty hollow, so as you can see right here, this little circular path bleeds from one back to the other. It's hard to see where we're at here. This is the only bypass port, except for the brake pipe that has pressure relief valves here. The glad hands hook to rail locomotive cars, but this is for a multiple unit operation. It's not used in the head end, but in the multiple end operation. It's a brake pullet multiply the brake pipe in by using the air cylinder. So left. So there you go. That has it. That's the brake pipe multiplier. For a multiple unit operation, it's kind of like bottling air, but it uses the brake pipe air cylinder to multiply into the brake pipe. And obviously the angle cocks I did not draw. They're loaded there. There's also a relief valve here where you can turn the center brake off, and these two triangular brakes, relief valves, so you can drain the air without popping your air brake in your face.